Oh, we finally made it to Maggie Valley. Look at my hair. We are at Maggie Valley. This is my cousin Beth and her husband Ken. Hi, Ken.
Hi, doing social distancing.
You think this
Mostly
is
because they just don't smell very good.
is this evidence? So you know that hug you gave me 5 minutes ago doesn't count. Anyway, we made it. Another cool place to stay.
Another cool place to stay.
Oh, I get it. So now I turn the camera on and all that guffawing and laughing that I heard around a few minutes ago stops. Great. Excellent. Pictures are backed up. That's good. Ready for a good night?
It won't be long. Ran out of toilet paper, so I started using lettuce leaves as the tip of the iceberg today. Tomorrow it'll...
Let me try again.
Tomorrow remains to be seen.